And again, this is Mr. Reece. Welcome you to Integrated Chemistry and Physics. One of the first things I always like to do at the beginning of the week is to start with a little joke. So let's get going on week number 1 here as we do your introduction to Integrated Chemistry and Physics. Your joke for this week is H2O is water and H2O is hydrogen peroxide. So, what is H2O for? Yes, you got it. H2O4 is for drinking. Yeah, you'll get used to me before it's over with. Now, for you guys that need some help, what if I rephrase the question in this way? What is H2O4? Yeah, think about it. Okay, let's move on to the next page as we continue through here to your introduction for ICP.